Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Ahad. I'm your personal English teacher. So, dear viewers across the globe, today I'm diving into a different topic where you can get flood of words. But now I'm taking few drops from floods, which are synonyms. You heard it right, synonym. So, what exactly is synonym? Think of a synonym as a word twin. It sounds different, it looks different, but has the same meaning, such as in the word start and begin. They look different in writing but have the same meaning. These are synonyms. Synonym helps you avoid repeating word over and over again. So if you are new to my channel, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Whenever I will upload the video, you will be notified. Okay, let's jump right in. So let's start with our first synonym. It is keep up. Keep up. Instead of using keep up, you may use maintain. 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 Okay, let's take example of keep up and maintain. Try to keep up your diet. Try to keep up your diet. Instead of using try to keep up your diet, you may use try to maintain your diet. Try to maintain your diet. Okay, our next synonym is explain. 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 Instead of using explain, you may use clarify. 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 Let's take example of explain and clarify. Can you explain the instructions? Can you explain the instructions? Instead of using can you explain the instructions, you may use can you clarify the instructions? Can you clarify the instructions? Okay, our next synonym is help. 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 Instead of using help, you may use assist. 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 Okay, let's take example of help and assist. My brother helped me while recording this video. My brother helped me while recording this video. Instead of using my brother helped me while recording this video, you may use my brother assisted me while recording this video. My brother assisted me while recording this video. Okay, our next synonym is deal with. Deal with. Deal with. Instead of using deal with, you may say handle. 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 Okay, let's take example of deal with and handle. I dealt with my enemies with iron hand. I dealt with my enemies with iron hand. Instead of using I dealt with my enemies with iron hand, you may use I handled my enemy with iron hands. I handled my enemies with iron hand. Okay, our next synonym is choose. Choose. Instead of using choose, you may say select. Select. Okay, let's take example of choose and select. You can choose any topic for your essay. You can choose any topic for your essay. Instead of using you can choose any topic for your essay, you may say you can select any topic for your essay. You can select any topic for your essay. Okay, our next synonym is look for. Look for. Instead of using look for, you may say seek. 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 Okay, let's take example of look for and seek. They are looking for new employees. They are looking for new employees. They are looking for new employees. Instead of using they are looking for new employees, you may say they are seeking new employees. They are seeking new employees. Okay, our next synonym is find out. Find out. Instead of using find out, you may say discover. Discover. Okay, let's take example of find out and discover. I found out the reason for the delay. I found out the reason for the delay. Instead of using I found out the reason for the delay, you may say I finally discovered the reason for the delay. I finally discovered the reason for the delay. Okay, our next synonym is point out. Point out. Point out. Instead of using point out, you may say highlight. 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 Okay, let's take example of point out and highlight. She pointed out the key issues. She pointed out the key issues. Instead of using she pointed out the key issues, you may say she highlighted the key issues. She highlighted the key issues. Okay, our next synonym is throw away. Throw away. Throw away. Instead of using throw away, you may say discard. 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 Okay, let's take example of throw away and discard. He threw away the old documents. He threw away the old documents. Instead of using he threw away the old documents, you may say he discarded the old documents. He discarded the old documents. Okay, our next synonym is check out. Check out. Instead of using check out, you may say inspect. 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 Okay, let's take example of check out and inspect. The manager check out the new product. The manager check out the new product. Instead of using the manager check out the new product, you may say the manager inspected the new product. The manager inspected the new product. Great job. So finally that's it for today. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, now see you in the next video. Goodbye.